In front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage from junk files in your device's settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Storage. Then select Cleanup at the bottom. Click on Cleanup next to Junk Files and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!